Inside this massive industrial complex, a billion-dollar luxury industry hides behind steel walls and guarded gates. Today, we take you inside one of the world's largest snake leather factories. This is the entire process, from snake to luxury fashion. We begin outside a massive industrial complex, secured with steel gates and guarded checkpoints. This is where thousands of snake skins are processed every single week. Trucks arrive, workers enter in uniform, and strict safety protocols are enforced before anyone steps inside. Inside the first hall, dozens of dangerous live snakes are kept behind thick glass partitions. Each one is carefully monitored. Workers inspect the snakes through protective windows, ensuring only healthy adults are selected for the leather process. Every step is controlled, regulated, and carefully supervised. Once inspected, trained professionals begin the precision cutting phase. With surgical tools and protective gloves, they make clean, controlled cuts to remove the skin. Every motion is slow, steady, and highly accurate, ensuring the pattern of the scales remains intact. The freshly removed skins are brought into a chemical treatment room. Here, technicians dip them into large steel tanks filled with specialized chemical solutions. These chemicals soften the skin, remove impurities, and prevent any form of decay. Workers constantly monitor temperature and chemical balance throughout the entire process. Next, the skins enter a massive drying hall. Long rows of stretched snake skins hang from metal frames. Large industrial fans and heat regulators slowly remove moisture. The skins begin to flatten naturally, preparing them for the mechanical stretching stage. In a separate controlled zone, workers handle live snakes using humane stunning methods. Each snake is carefully immobilized before removal, ensuring the process is safe for workers and controlled from start to finish. Strict safety protocols prevent any harm or uncontrolled movement. This is one of the most delicate stages. Skilled technicians make a precise incision along the underside of the snake. The skin is gently separated, layer by layer, without damaging the natural pattern. This step determines the final beauty of the leather. The raw skin is washed thoroughly in stainless steel sinks. Workers remove excess tissue, clean the scales, and prepare the skin for chemical preservation. Every piece is inspected for tears, marks, and imperfections before moving ahead. Now the skins undergo deep chemical softening. Large rotating drums mix the skins with specialized tanning solutions. Over hours, the skin becomes soft, flexible, and durable. This preservation stage ensures the leather can last for decades. High-pressure machines stretch the skin evenly across large, flat surfaces. Mechanical rollers apply equal tension so that the snake skin becomes perfectly uniform. This creates the smooth, premium texture found in luxury products. The stretched skins move into temperature-controlled, drying chambers. Heat, air pressure, and humidity are carefully regulated to prevent cracking. After several hours, the skins emerge perfectly dried and ready for refinement. Skilled inspectors examine every inch of the skin under bright studio-grade lighting. Any flaws, scratches, or natural defects are marked. Only the highest quality pieces pass this stage and qualify for luxury fashion production. Digital cutting machines scan each skin and calculate the perfect layout. Laser-guided blades slice the leather into jacket panels with millimeter accuracy. This ensures minimal wastage and maximum quality. Out in the stitching room, expert craftsmen assemble each jacket piece by piece. Heavy-duty sewing machines join the panels together. Lining, zippers, pockets, and finishing seams are added with high precision. Every jacket is built with durability and premium craftsmanship. The final stop, polishing and finishing. Workers apply oils, conditioners, and glossy coatings to enhance the texture and shine of the leather. The jackets are then packaged in luxury boxes, labeled, tagged, and prepared for international shipment. From live handling to luxury packaging, this is the full process behind the world's most premium snake leather jackets.